5 most lethal creatures of the Amazon rainforest. 1. Black caiman. The largest predator in the Amazon, it can grow over 16 feet long and weigh up to 1,000 pounds. It hunts fish, snakes, and even large animals. Its bite is powerful, and it's dangerous to anything near rivers or lakes. 2. Brazilian wandering spider. One of the most venomous spiders in the world, its bite can cause severe pain and even demise in rare cases. It hunts at night and is aggressive. It's large, fast, and known to sneak into homes and clothes. 3. Electric eel. Can release shocks up to 600 volts, enough to knock down a person or stun large animals. It uses electricity to hunt and protect itself. Found in muddy waters, it's best to avoid swimming near them. 4. Bullet ant. Known for having the most painful sting of any insect, like being shot by a bullet. The pain can last up to 24 hours. They live in large groups and will defend their home if disturbed. 5. Jaguar. The strongest big cat in the Americas. It can bite through skulls and bones. Jaguars are silent hunters and very hard to spot. They're fast, powerful, and live deep in the rainforest.